Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a color filter overlay to your videos in Premiere Pro. To begin, come over to this new item button over here, select it and select color mate and make sure that the settings for your color mate is the same thing with your sequence and hit OK. Select a color you prefer. I'm just going to select this color over here and hit OK once more. And drag this color mate above my video clip over here and extend it to make sure that it's the same duration with my video. Next, move over to effects control and under opacity, blend mode, change the blend mode to screen. And you can see the color effect that has been added to this clip over here. You can also try other settings like multiply to add a different look. And if you like, you can also double tap on the color mate and try a different color once more. And you can also adjust the opacity of the color mate by coming over to opacity over here and reducing the value. And that's it guys on how to add color filters to your videos in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.